strong.
Hello budding medicos, hope you all are doing well. If you are new to this channel, I am Shankopal, a second year medical student at Bakura Sammilani Medical College. Today's topic of discussion is whether you should take any coaching institute as a first year medical student or not, and if you take any coaching, which is the best possible option available. These 2 years have been transition years for us. We have seen a lot of things happening not only to our lives but also to our student life. Colleges have been closed since long, classes are not regular, and moreover, NMC, that is National Medical Commission, has announced that there will be next from 2023 onwards. In this current scenario, we have to start our preparation early. We are getting a lot of queries from the first year medical students themselves that whether they should take any coaching or not. So, I will try my best to put some light on this topic. Let us divide this video into two parts. In the first part, let us talk about whether you should opt for coaching as a first year student or not. Previously, students about to think about coaching from 7th semester onwards. But as I have mentioned, a lot of transition and changes are taking place. So we have to think about it from the very beginning. So, what are the indications of opting for a coaching? Number one is your classes are not regular in the college. Number two is you face difficulty in understanding in the college classes due to any reason. Number three is you are facing difficulty in studying standard textbook yourself. Number four is you are not confident enough to do it yourself. If you feel like this, you can consider taking coaching from the very first year. Now comes the question, what are the options available? Oh, there are a whole lot of coaching institutes available. We can mainly divide them into two categories, offline and online. In this video, I shall mainly focus upon the online ones because face-to-face classes are uncertain in this situation. In online category itself, there are two types of coaching. One which provides online recorded lectures like Marrow, PrepLadder, eGurukul, Doc Tutorials, etc. And other category is online live lectures like DAMC Medicals, DBMCI Live, etc. So let us take them one by one. And one more thing, these informations which I am gonna share with you are either my personal experiences or gathered from any of my friends. These are not Googled. So come to our very first app in the online recorded category, that is PrepLadder. Pros of the PrepLadders are they have separate plans from only first year or only second year, and plans are affordable enough. The con is videos are very much concise and they are ideal for interns or final year students, though they are very conceptual. The teachers for the first year students are anatomy by Dr. Rajesh Kausal, biochemistry by Dr. Smiley Pruthi ma'am, and physiology by Dr. Vivek Nalgirkar. The teachers are really good. Now come to our second app, that is Marrow. It is very popular among the PG aspirants. Pros are videos are detailed, so beginners like first years will find it more useful. They have beautifully curated videos and great user interface. Cons are I feel the app is bit overpriced. Moreover, they don't have any individual prop-wise plans like for the first year only or second year only. You have to take all the 19 subjects. Though I have heard they came up with first year only plans which were available via special ambassadors only. The teachers for the first year subjects are anatomy by Dr. Raviraj, physiology by Dr. S. Krishna Kumar, and biochemistry by the legend herself Rebecca James ma'am. Now come to our third app, that is Doc Tutorials. It has come into the market very recently. Pros are they have affordable price and have separate plans for first year, and cons are it is very new app, so we don't have enough data about it. The teachers for the first year subjects are anatomy by Dr. Mohammad Azam, physiology by Dr. Prem, and biochemistry by Dr. Nilesh Chandra. Dr. Nilesh Chandra is a very good faculty of biochemistry. Now come to our fourth platform, that is DBMCI, Dr. Bhatia Medical Coaching Institute. DBMCI is the only platform that has all the options available. They provide face-to-face classes, they have online live classes, and also online recorded classes. DBMCI eGurukul is their online recorded platform and DBMCI Live is their live online platform. So pros of DBMCI are they have all the plans available, they have variety of options available, and plans are also affordable enough. The teachers are so good, and cons are the DBMCI eGurukul app, that is their online recorded platform, it is still in its primitive stage. The animations are good, but it gives a lot of troubles to the customers. And I have gathered this info from one of my friends, and he was totally disgusted with the user interface. And he also told me that it crashes many a times. The teachers for the first year subjects are Dr. Aswani Kumar for anatomy, Dr. Ashish for physiology, and I don't know who is teaching biochemistry because Dr. Nilesh Chandra, who used to teach biochemistry in DBMCI, taken up by doc tutorials very recently. Now come to our last platform, that is DAMS eMedicals. DAMS is famous for its live face-to-face classes, but these days they are also providing the live online classes via eMedicals app. They provide live lectures in the app, and the recorded versions of those same classes are also added subsequently. The pros of DAMS eMedicals are live chat option in the app gives you proper feeling of classroom. You can interact directly and ask your doubts during the lecture itself. And the teachers are also good, they know what to read and what not to read, and also they have separate plans for first year, second year, and third, fourth year. The cons of eMedicals are I feel the price is a bit high, and some may find the app interface a little busy and confusing. The teachers for the first year subjects are Dr. Sandeep Madan for anatomy, Dr. Anupama Devgan ma'am for physiology, and Dr. Poonam Agarwal ma'am for biochemistry. And one more thing, if you take any of the plans of DBMCI Live or DAMS eMedicals, you are eligible for their satellite classes also. All the apps have general features like question bank, class tests, and they also provide clinical case discussion and practical videos. This may vary from app to app and course to course. Now come to the verdict. I have mentioned most of the options available right now in the market, but you have to choose wisely among these, which suits you the best. If you want to study according to your own convenience, then go for the recorded ones. And if you think that you don't get the push from the inside to complete a topic, then it's better to opt for the live online classes because they follow a strict schedule. Although you can watch the recorded videos later if you miss any of the live lectures. All the coaching institutes are good. All of them have great faculties who are very experienced and know what to study and what not. Therefore, if you take any of the coaching, follow them religiously. Don't fall under FOMO. If you do the classes regularly, make notes, and then study the book, no one can prevent you from getting a good mark. Moreover, understanding of the subject is very important. And those who can't afford taking coaching, my message to them is don't feel frustrated. You are not missing out a lot of things. If you follow your college classes and read textbooks, it is enough. We didn't have any coaching in the first year. That's all I have to say. Never ever feel low. Don't think you can't achieve big things. Stay positive, take care of your mental health, spread positivity. If the video has helped you by the slightest mean, please like it and share it among your friends, and also subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever any video comes up. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.